Hello.
Hey,
Hi.
Hi.
how are you guys?
Good. How are you?
I am also good. Now sit down, close your eyes, keep your back neck straight in one line. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Now we will chant one time on all together. Take a deep inhale. Bring your both palms together in front of the heart center. Rub your both palm. Apply your face, apply your eyes, your bones on your face properly, on your body, and then gently put down your head towards God and thank God and ask God to give us strength for today's class. Now, while blinking, open your eyes. Inhale, raise your both arms up, interlace your fingers. Stretch your both arms up, adjust your spine, elevate your spine up. And exhale, drop your right hand on your right elbow on the right side of the floor. Inhale, stretch your left arm over your head. Go for the side bend. Hold there 3 counts. 1. Give that proper stretch on your side obliques. 2 and 3. Inhale again, come up. Interlace your fingers again. Rotate your palm out and exhale, bend to the other side. Drop your left elbow on the mat and stretch your right arm overhead. Look towards the ceiling from your right hand. Hold 1, 2, and 3. Inhale again, come up. Rotate your palm out towards the ceiling. Exhale, now bend down for the lateral bend. Just stretch. Hold 1. Look at the left side of your armpit. 2 and 3. Inhale and exhale, bend to the other side. Look the right side and hold for 3 counts. 1. Keep elbow straight. 2 and 3. Again, inhale, come up. Take your palm out again. The good stretch coming from the spine. Exhale, drop your both hands down. Now press your both palms and come for the tabletop position on the mat. Tabletop position. Now we'll give that good stretch. We'll warm up our spine and our body. Inhale, look up. Roll your shoulder, open your chest. Make a good curve on your spine. And exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. Push your shoulder blades away from each other and keep pressing your palm properly on the mat. Inhale again, look up, roll your shoulder. And exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. Inhale, again, look up, roll your shoulder. And exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. Neutralize the spine, come in middle. Now with inhalation, lift your right leg up towards your head. Lift your right leg up, stretch your right leg and look up. Bend your knee towards your forehead. Exhale, stretch your knee on your forehead now. Inhale again, take your leg up. Try to bring your feet as much as closer to your head and exhale, knee to your forehead. Inhale again, take your leg up. And exhale, bring your knee towards your forehead. And drop your knee down. Now we'll change our leg. Now inhale, lift your left leg up, change your leg size. And exhale, bend your knee towards your forehead. Inhale, again take your left leg up. Exhale, knee to your forehead. One last time, inhale, lift. and exhale, bring your knee towards the forehead. Drop a knee down, again come in front. Now just rotate your spine, move your spine. Left to right, right to left, and up and down also. Now change the direction. You have to move your hip also properly, warm up your spine. Touch your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Slowly walk front and stand into Samasthiti. Inhale, Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Vrikshasana. We will begin with consolidation. Hai. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Really inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chaturanga, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Look at your navel point and hold there for 5 counts. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up. Hey, Samasthiti. Second round. Again, you come inhale. Do it. Exhale. Ready, inhale, front. Chaturanga, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. And hold. 1. Keep pressing your belly towards your thighs. Keep lengthening your spine. 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. So exhale. Now inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round. Again, you come inhale. To exhale. Ready, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. To exhale. Now inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Ekam inhale, hold round. To exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chaturanga, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. And hold 1. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Now inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, Ekam inhale. To exhale. Ready, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale, coordinate with your breath. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, inhale, jump front. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Now I inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Run salutation B. A come inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up for Utkatasana chair pose. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Inhale, look front for halfway look up. Chaturanga exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Place the left arm on your left thigh, right arm full head, go to the back bend. I didn't use my earphones. That's why. Now bring your left leg front for warrior A. Exhale, jump back chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. And exhale, Adho Mukha. Keep breathing, deep inhale, deep exhale. Now bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up for chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, come inhale, again come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend down. Third inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto exhale, jump back. Nava inhale. Dasha exhale. Keep breathing. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha exhale, jump back. Triyodasha inhale. Chaturdasha exhale. And hold. 1, keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasha, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasha exhale. Saptadasha inhale, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam inhale, again come for the chair pose. Do exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Third inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chatwari exhale, Adho Mukha. Now bring your right leg front for warrior A. Now place your left arm on your left thigh, right arm over your head, go for the back bend. Stretch your right arm back and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up, and exhale, jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front for warrior A. Place your right palm on your right thigh, left arm over your head, and again go for the back bend and hold there for 5 counts. 1, keep breathing. 2, press your hip down. Hip ko niche press. Keep pressing your hip down and stretch your left hand back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Stay there into downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti.
Third round. Again, Ekam inhale, Utkatasana. Do exhale, Uttanasana. Treni inhale, Ardha-Uttanasana. Chatwari exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front again for warrior A. Now place your left palm on your back. Inhale, right arm over your head. अपने left palm को पीछे रखिए. Keep your left palm back and stretch your right arm back and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Place your right palm on your right thigh, left arm over your head, and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, go back, jump, Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Keep inhale, deep exhale, gain your energy back. Recover yourself here, just rest here. Now bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth round, Ekam inhale again, come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend fully forward down. Treni inhale, look front. Chatwari, go back to the Chaturanga. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Now place your right hand on your left thigh. Right hand on your left thigh. Right hand on your left thigh. Inhale, left arm over your head, behind your back, and hold 1, 2, back, 3, Kritanjali ji, पीछे back bending करिए. 4, square रखिए अपने hips को, and 5. Exhale, jump back to the Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Now place your right palm on your left hip behind your back. Inhale, left arm over your head and hold 1. Yes, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again jump back to the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now come for the Ashtanga Namaskar. Knee, chest, chin on the floor. Knee, chest, and chin on the floor. Make a curve on your spine. Hold there in Ashtanga Namaskar. Now with inhalation, lift your knees up from the floor, straight your knee, and walk front with your toes. Not like this. Look here. You have to do like this. Your hip will be not down, your hip will be lifted. Your both hands outside of your chest and your chin. Now with inhalation, lift your knees up from the floor. Knee ko, you have to just lift your knees. Don't keep your knees on the floor and walk front with your toes. Knee straight, knee straight. Make the knee straight. Yes, like this. Try to touch your chest on the floor so you can see a good curve on your spine and hold 1. Lift, keep your knee straight. 2. Kritanjali ji, keep your knee straight. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Lift your right leg up from the floor and drop your left knee down. Right leg up and left knee down. Now place your left feet on your right knee and give support to your right knee with your another feet. Lift, Kritanjali ji, left feet on your right knee. Bend your left feet on your right knee and give support. Very good. 1, 2, not like this. Look here. 3. इधर देखिए. You have to give support with your another knee like this. And 5. Exhale, drop your leg down and now change your leg. Inhale, lift your left leg up and give support on your left knee with your right feet. Yes. Stretch yourself, take your feet as much as down you can. 2. And take your leg, another leg high in the air. 3, very good, Nirenga ji. 4 and 5. Exhale, drop your leg down. Inhale, swing yourself for upward facing dog. And exhale, go back to the downward facing dog. Just relax yourself here. Keep breathing. Now inhale, come for the cobra pose. Bhujangasana. We'll do Bhujangasana. We'll drop our thighs down. And exhale, go back to the mountain pose. Join your both feet together. Inhale again, go for the Bhujangasana, cobra pose. In cobra pose, we will keep our elbows bent and touch to our body, both the side of our chest, rib cages. Exhale, go to the mountain pose. In mountain pose, your both feet will be together and you will not press your thighs, your chest towards your legs. You will press your chest towards the floor. Look front between your both palms and press your chest towards the floor. Inhale again, come for the cobra pose. Exhale, go down to the mountain, Parvatasana. 3, inhale, again go back to the cobra pose. Exhale, go back to the mountain pose. 5th, inhale again, go to the cobra pose. And hold there. 1, do not straight your elbow, keep your elbows bent, but just press your palms and lift your chest up. Try to lift your chest up as much as you can. 2, 3, open your chest, roll your shoulder. 4 and 5. Now exhale down, lay down, don't come back, lay down just. And stretch your legs back properly. Now with inhalation, keep your both arms beside like this and lift your chest up from the floor. Keep your both elbows bent. Inhale, lift your chest up as much as you can and hold there. 1, do not press your palm on the floor. Keep your hands like this. 2, remove your palms from the floor. Just keep your hands like this, front. 3, your elbow should be not touching to the floor. Just you have to try to lift like this. 4, yes. 5, Meghta ji ko dekhiye. She is doing correct. Meghta ji is doing correct. Nirenga is also doing correct. 4, 5, and exhale, drop your palms down and again go back to the mountain. Okay, Kritanjali ji, देखिए कैसे करना था आपको. हमें elbow है, उसे सिर्फ उठाना था. ऐसे हाथों को बाय पाम टच नहीं करना है नीचे फ्लोर पे. अभी भी आपकी पाम टच है. लिफ्ट करना है जितना हो सके ऊपर, हाथों को बगल में रखना है. Okay, go back to the downward facing dog, everybody. Inhale and exhale, keep breathing. Now bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now twist your spine. Do Kati Chakrasana. And release. Now keep your both hands on your back and try to touch, try to take your both elbows as much as closer to each other behind your back. Keep your chest open and with inhalation, tuck your tailbone out and just bend with your thoracic part. Back bending kariye, do back bending with just your thoracic part. Your tailbone should be tucked out. Do not press your hip inside, just press your hip outside and open your chest. Hold there 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, bend fully forward down. From there, keep your hands on your back only. Now stretch your right arm front. Stretch your right arm front. नीचे जाइए. Go down, Megda ji. Go down more. Fully forward down. And stretch your right arm front and place your left palm on your back. Give good support with your left palm. And inhale, lift your right arm and do outward rotation with your shoulder and look back. Again, your tailbone should be out. Open your chest, open your thoracic. Do not give all the pressure on your lower back. Not like this, Niranga ji. Look here, like this. Go for the back bend from up.
If I'm in
Take your
forward
right
fold,
hand.
how can I go back? You said forward fold.
Yeah, stay in forward fold first.
Yeah, and then?
Stretch your arm and inhale. Now swing yourself up. Come up. Come up. Like this. Yes. Now stretch your arm and give good support with your left hand and keep your elbows pressing towards the right side. Do not just keep your elbows like this sidewise, pressing towards the right side and hold 1. What happened, Gitanjali ji? 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, go fully forward down. Okay, so see, whenever we give support on our back, we do not put hand like this or just like this. If we are giving support, keep your elbows properly pressed and close your shoulder towards the another side. And then try to lift your another hand. If you will not good support, you will fall back with your lower back and you may injure yourself. So properly press it inside like this. Contract your shoulder blades while pushing your elbows. Okay. Now we'll do second round of this. Inhale again, raise your left arm up and come up. Go for the back bend with your right hand, stretching back. Do not change your hand, keep your same hand and look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Again, go for the forward fold. Keep your position same. Do not remove your palm. Now we'll do third and last round. In this last round, we will keep in mind, now we will bend our lower back also. We will push our hip front also. But first stretch your hand front. Inhale. And all the way come up and go for the back bend. And listen to me carefully now. Now try to push your hip front also and hand back. Your upper hand will go back and you will push your hip front. Now hold there. 1. अपने hip को आगे पुश करते रहिए कृतांजलि जी और हाथ को पीछे 2 3 4 एंड 5 एक्सेल। अपने हाथ कृतांजलि अपने हाथ कृतांजलि जी आपने अपना हाथ हटा दिया। मैंने कोई ऐसे कमांड नहीं दी अभी कि आपको हाथ रिमूव करना है। मैंने बोला था कीप योर हैंड सेम बैक पे। गो फॉरवर्ड डाउन। आ जाइए आगे फॉरवर्ड। कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट राउंड में करेक्ट करेंगे मैम से। Now change your hand. Keep your right hand on your right side and stretch your left arm front. Inhale all the way, come up. Again, go for the back bend. Tuck your tailbone out. For now, just bend with your thoracic and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, go for the forward fold. Okay, second round again. Inhale, come up and stretch your left hand. Again, go for the back bend, open your thoracic, hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3. Do not close your eyes. Keep your eyes open. 4 and 5. Exhale again down. Third and last round. In this round, we will push our hip front also, and we will do a proper back bend. Inhale again, arms up. Go for the back bend and hold for 5 counts. 1. Go deep as much as you can by yourself. 2, 3. Keep pushing your hip front and hands back. 4 and 5. Exhale again down. Relax. Now remove your both palms, your right palm also. Both palms front on the mat. Relax yourself for a few counts. Keep breathing. Now inhale, stretch your both palms front. And all the way come up and go for the back bend with your both hands. Again, keep in mind, tuck your tailbone out. Keep pressing your hip back now. Do not go front from a hip. Keep stretching your hip back and your hands back. Make a good curve from your spine. Hold 1, 2, 3, Niryangaji. 4, hip back, not go from the hip now. And 5, exhale, come down. Second round, again, inhale, raise your both arms up and go back. Keep your tailbone out. Do not tuck your tailbone in. Just stretch your arm. 1, bend your thoracic for now. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, bend down, forward. Now we'll do third and last round. In this, we will push our hips front now. Inhale again, come up for the last round. Now go deep as much as you can, closer to the mat with your hand. 1, 2, you have to hold, you have to not do chakrasana. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward down. Now close your both legs, grab your both ankles. Now we'll do some counter pose for now. Grab your both ankles and exhale, touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knees, and forehead on your shin bone. Do counter pose properly so you will not feel that pain. Okay, now inhale, slowly come up into Samasthiti. Shake your legs. Okay, now send your right leg back. Okay. Now drop your right knee on the floor. Keep your hips square. Flex your right toe. Okay. Like this. Come in this position. For now. Okay, now inhale, raise your both arms up. And go for the back bend. Try to keep pushing your hip down. Keep your front leg 90. Narenga ji, little bit move your left feet front so you can make a 90 angle with your left leg. Yeah, bus, enough, enough. Both hands back and keep pushing your left or whichever leg you are back. Keep pushing it down and hold. 1, stretch your arms back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now straight your front knee and go for the forward fold, counter pose. Whichever leg you have put it front, straight it. Straight your leg, front leg. Yeah, and go for the forward fold. ऐसे नहीं कीर्तांजलि जी, स्ट्रेट करना है बस हमको. देखिए हम ऐसे थे, अब मैंने बोला स्ट्रेट, आपको स्ट्रेट करना है, फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड जाना है.
Okay.
Okay, now second round. Again, inhale, come up. Bend your front knee, raise your arms up. Again, go for the back bend, go deep and hold there. 1, stretch your arms back. 2, look back, your neck back. 3, Nirenga ji, push your hip more down. 4, yes, like this. And 5, again, front straight your front knee, go for the forward fold. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, bend your knee, raise your both arms up. Again, go for the back bend now. Keep looking back, stretch your arm, feel the pressure which is coming on your back. Hold. 1, 2, keep your eyes open, keep breathing, don't hold your breath. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again straight your front knee, go for the forward fold. Hold for 5 counts there, counter pose, do it properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take your whichever leg is front. Some have taken right leg, some have left leg. Change your leg, take your leg back, come for the downward facing dog. Now change your leg, bring your another leg front. Again, drop your back knee down, flex your toe, and inhale, raise your both arms up. Again, go for the back bend and keep pushing your hip down. Hold. 1, 2, Megta ji, your leg will be front. 1 leg you have to keep it front. 3, whichever whatever we have done with, keep your 1 leg front. Change your leg. 3, 4, and 5. Straight your front knee, go for the forward fold. See, whenever you do back bending, do not just directly go from your like lower back part. If I will bend like this directly to my lower back, all the pressure, all the tension will come on my lower back. So what will I do? First, I will stretch my shoulder, then my thoracic. So the weight is distributed on our back properly and it will not come on your lower back only. So try to first pull it, your hands, your shoulder back properly, then your thoracic, and at the end you have to go with your lower back. Okay, keep in mind, if you will not give support on your lower back or you will not distribute weight equally on your back, you may get yourself injured. Again, inhale, arms up. First, stretch your hands back, shoulder with your hands, shoulder. Do not bend your back now, just shoulder. Now your thoracic, focus on your thoracic now. And then at the end, you have to bend with your lower back and hold. 1, 2, you have to make a C arch from your back. 3, very nice, Sanjali ji. 4, very nice, Mikta ji, Niranga ji. And 5, straight your front knee. Exhale again, bend fully forward down. Third and last round, again inhale, come up. Again, go for the back bend and hold. 1. Mikta ji, just try to push your left front thigh on the floor. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Straight your front knee. Again, go for the forward fold and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take your right leg back. Come for the downward facing dog. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now bend your knees, jump and sit into Dandasana. Now we'll do some counter pose for our back bending. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Elevate your spine properly towards the ceiling. Stretch it. And exhale, bend down, grab your feet from out. Inhale, halfway look up, lengthen your spine. And exhale, bend fully forward down. Touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knees, and chin on your shin. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your both palms behind your back. Inhale, lift your hip up for Purvottanasana, counter pose. Look back and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your hip down. Now cross your leg and sit in any comfortable position you want. But sit straight. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Join your both palms together in front of your heart center. We will chant 1 time Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your both palms together. Touch your both palms on your face, on your eyes, on your whole body. Gently bow down your head towards God and thank God for giving us strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste, everyone. So, if you want to ask anything, you can ask.
How so when I go with the back bend, I go to Chakrasana, I can go back, but I cannot come back up. So what you would suggest, which asana to practice to come up, to learn up?
So like, okay. So like if you can go back, when you are going back, I can see you are doing some mistakes and that is not like very good. If you will keep continuing like dropping back into Chakrasana like this, you may hurt your lower back. So what you are doing, you are first where you stretch your palm and then you take your head back first. So that is not a good thing. I know you have a like good flexibility on your back, so do not go directly from a lower back. I have seen you are doing this, your arms like this, and your head first go back, and then you have taken your hands. Always try to bend with your first this. scapula or your shoulders, upper back. Always try to first stretch it properly and then try to bend with your thoracic. If you will not use your thoracic, then all the weight will come on your lower back. After at the last, when you feel that it is my like maximum, I have bended my upper thoracic and lower thoracic at the maximum. That time when you are close to your capacity, you have to use your lower back and then you have to fall down. So in that way, you will keep your back safe and you will not have problem in future. And yes, now to your question, when you have to come back, you have to shift your weight towards your thighs. I can see some people can go closer to their feet like this, but they cannot come back due to lack of strength on their thighs. So always when you come back, just move with your fingertips as much as closer to your feet, and then try to just shift all the weight on your legs. You can lift your heels for transferring your weight, and then try to push. Okay, come in Chakrasana. I will tell you. Come in Chakrasana.
I cannot, but I will not be able to come up.
Yeah, I will tell you how you can come up. Come into Chakrasana. Now walk front with your fingertips or your palm as much as you can. Now take your knees front. Knees cross your toes with your knees. Take your knees front. Knees front. Shift your weight from your hands to your knees while going front. Cross your, like drop a heel first. Drop a heel. Drop a heel. Transfer your weight on your knees.
I don't understand.
Like,
I don't
like when
understand what you mean.
Okay. Let's show you. I have a shoulder injury. I am not doing flexion with my shoulder from like
Oh, please don't do
1
it.
month.
It's okay.
Okay. Okay, I'll show you a little bit. So what you have to do? See, I'm transferring weight on my knees. From here, I am transferring weight on my knees. And then I'm trying to coming back. You have to transfer weight from your upper body and focus all it on your legs. If you will transfer the weight from your like hands to your knees like this, you can practice like this also. This, your knees, your hip, push your hips front, and then you will overshoot and you will go front. Okay.
Okay, there is a lot of work to do.
It's like it is very difficult. You have to practice it so much for like 10 times. Go down and then try to come up. Again, go down and try to come up. And you need like good strength in your thighs also. And you can easily come up. Okay, any other questions?
Because I think I've got strong legs, but in this posture to come up, I don't know.
See, every posture have their own strength. If like someone have good core or like good like body or good strength in their hands, it doesn't mean they can do a handstand. You require the practice of handstand to achieve the handstand. Yeah. So it's like same, you have a good strength on your thighs, but you didn't have practice this posture. That's why you cannot come up.
Yeah. Thank you so
Every
much.
asana has their own practice. Yes, any other questions?
So how can we build the strength in our thighs?
You can do squats.
Okay.
You can do squats and one leg sit up on your one leg and then stand up like this. So there are few exercises you can do.
Kritanjali, 50 A salutation and B salutations every day.
Okay.
Yes. The jumping back and jumping front, it also creates strength in our legs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then thank you so much everyone for joining me today. Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you so much.
Take care, everybody.
You too, sir.
Bye-bye.